Welcome to Support Videos for Control M Workload Automation video series. Today we'll be covering how to customize the ciphers which are used by Managed File Transfer Enterprise's proxy server. As part of today's demo, we're going to review the current configuration, remove any undesired ciphers, and update the order in which they are processed. We will then restart the file transfer daemon on the hub and the gateway for the changes to take effect. You can find the detailed steps in our knowledge base by searching for Knowledge Article 158857. Now let's take a look at our demo. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to log into where the hub is located and navigate to the CTM CM AFT data directory. And here you can see there is a proxy config properties which has the settings we're going to modify. So let's make a backup copy of that. And we're going to VI it to make our changes. And you see here we have this param ftp.secure ciphers. This actually has all the ciphers that are currently allowed. To use a smaller list, all we're going to do is we're going to update this line, and we're actually just going to comment this one out and insert one above that has the parameters that we want in it. And I've actually changed the order of these because I'd prefer to use a cipher that was laid in the list first. So I put it at the first of the list, so these are actually processed in the order which they're recorded. Now, as we scroll down, you'll see the other settings for FTP over SSL, and we will get to the settings that are used for SSH. And you see right here, we have the AES and the triple DES. And these are good, so we're going to go ahead and leave these, but it's the same as before. We could simply remove one of these, or we could change the order for a preferred order. Now, there's also a section here where you see FIPS. These are currently commented out. If you were to enable FIPS for on this agent, what would have happened is it would have uncommented the line that's currently that's been commented for FIPS, and it will set those as active. Those are your most secure ciphers by default, so you might want to go ahead, if you already know that's what you want, but you don't want to enable full FIPS mode, you can just uncomment the line in there and use the FIPS line. And so at this point, we're just going to save our changes. Now the process to make this change effect is we actually need to kill the hub process and let the agent respawn it. My agent is currently configured to run on a root, so we're going to come over to here and we are going to look for the hub process. And you can see right there, there's the MFT B2B hub, so we're going to go ahead and kill that real quick. And you want to do this when no other jobs or processes are running, during your maintenance window or while you're initially setting it up. Okay, so at this point, this is automatically going to respawn. Now, the last thing we have to do is we actually have to get the gateway to go fetch these new settings. So we just need to recycle the gateway. As you can see over here, I'm already in the MFT exe proxy directory. So let's just do a quick ls. And there's already a couple of scripts in here to help us with this. So we can just run the shut MFT proxy. And then we can run the start. And this typically takes a few seconds because it actually has to go out, connect, download all of its configuration, and start up the listening daemons. Okay, MFT proxy has started back up, and that's all there is to it. That concludes today's demo. This concludes our Control M Solutions video. Please see our knowledge base and YouTube channel for more videos like this.